Allwin PCBA, your trusted one-stop PCB and PCBA solutions partner since 2008. We specialize in providing custom PCB and PCBA solutions for a wide range of industries, including industrial control, automotive electronics, medical equipment, instruments, communications, and consumer electronics. We provide complete one-stop solutions, from prototype development to mid-high volume production, covering PCB fabrication, electronic component sourcing, SMT and dip assembly, functional testing and box build. Our production base is equipped with advanced Yamaha high-speed SMT lines, AUI inspection systems, and rigorous quality control processes. We hold authoritative international certifications, including ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, IAT F16949, and UL. Our professional English-speaking overseas team has deep international experience, serving customers across the USA, Germany, Netherlands, Australia, Canada, and beyond. We focus on saving your time, reducing your costs, and accelerating your product's time to market. Our goal is to build lasting, win-win partnerships that help your business grow. Together, let's assemble the future. Allwin PCBA, your global electronics solutions partner. Request a quote today.